Hey, how's it going YouTube? MC Seth here, coming at you from the spare room yet again. This time we're going to be talking about Canva and how you can use it to make designs for your print-on-demand platform really easily. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Right, for those of you who don't know, I'm MC Seth, DJ Seth, Seth, Joseph, whatever you want to call me, it's cool. And I run the Serial Carnage YouTube channel, and I basically give tips, tricks and tutorials about how to make your print-on-demand site as good as it can be. And this time we're going to be talking about Canva. So I'm just going to switch you over to the website here. Now you can see Canva is like a graphic design website where people upload their graphic designs for others to use in a commercial or personal way. You can see there's two options. You can have it free forever and it gives you 250,000 free templates, which is really good. I haven't actually signed up for a pro account just yet, but I might do in the future. It all depends on what I'm looking for and what I'm making at the time. That's how I judge these things. But you don't have to do that. You can sign up for a pro account straight away and start using the awesome graphics that they do have, which I'll go and show you in a second. And now you can see the price here for a pro account. It's only $10.99 a month, so it's not super expensive, and you can pay for it yearly at £107.88, and you can have that for up to 5 people as well, if you notice there. So that's really good. You can have 5 accounts for the price of 1. So, you know, and it works out £2.20 a person per month. So that's really good. So let's just get into design platform. So what you would do is you just log into your account or sign up for your account, and it would bring you over to another page, which I'll go to first actually. There you go. So it would take you here, and then what you do is you just create a design. If it lets me, there we go. And now I've just gone down here and clicked t-shirt. Now something important to note is you can make designs for all sorts on here, including your Instagram posts, which is a very good way of marketing your own stuff. Because although places like RedBubble and Amazon Merch and a couple of the other places advertise your stuff for you, I always recommend doing it yourself. Now anybody who sells anything and is successful will put 10% of their effort into making the product, and then excuse me, the other 90% is in marketing, and that's just how it is, and that's how you should operate as well. So it's very good that this Instagram post things on there as well. But what I'm going to show you today is the t-shirt, because this is the most popular thing that people are making at the moment. And t-shirts, you know, people wear clothes every day, so this is where we're going to start. Now what it gives you is a blank canvas here, and you can see it's of a certain size, which is perfect for t-shirts. And you come down here and you can upload stuff to it, or you can go to their elements section. Excuse me. Now I'm not going to go searching around for stuff. As you can see, this is a good example here. We've got this keyboard here that says free whenever I highlight over it, and you've got this one here that's got a picture of a crown, which means it's on the pro platform, so you can't use this unless you're a pro user. But if you click those, that's it, they go straight into there. Same with the pro ones, boom. You can just flick them around as you want, make them bigger, you can even spin them around, you can do whatever you want to these. And you can also add text. So if we add a heading, you can just start typing away. Put that wherever you like, and you can make designs this way. It's really simple. Just put that out there. Perfect design. That is going to sell for $1 million. That's going to be my big earner. Excuse me. That's going to be my big earner, this one. No, I'm just joking. Now what you do after you've done this is you can add a page. I've never seen this before. So you can probably add 2 designs and export them at the same time, which is really cool. So what you do after doing that is just hit the download button, and you get a ping, high quality image. Now this is very important to note that if you're not a pro user, it's going to come with this white background. Now there are programs out there online where you can just go to a web page, chuck your design in there, and it's going to remove the white background for you. But unfortunately, this is something you need to pay for if you want to use just Canva to do it, and it can also compress the file into a lower quality as well. Now we just select page 1 because we don't want that extra page, and what you do is you pay and download. And the reason it wants me to pay is because I'm not a pro user, so it's going to say I need to pay 99 pence to make this. Now that's very important to note as well. If you don't want to become a pro user, that you're not going to you know, spend a lot of time using a lot of their pro designs and you just want one, this is a good way of just doing that, because 99 pence is a very minimal spend, because you'll earn that straight back by selling anything, apart from the sticker, of course. You'll have to sell 3 or 4 stickers to make that back. But that's a simple task, isn't it? So that's Canva, and that's what you can use to make t-shirts. Now, see this little mock-up button here, where I just press print t-shirts? You can have a little mock-up as well, which is awesome. So you can choose the color, and you can also pay the subtotal for having your design there. Awesome. You can have 2. You can add another t-shirt. I can have 5 of those, and I can get the t-shirts that way. But that's not what we do. We take this design and we put it onto our print on demand platform. You don't want to use it that way. That's if you want your own t-shirt. Basically, you can make a design and order a t-shirt from these guys and they'll send it to you. But that's not what we're doing here. That's, you know, that's like custom prints. We're doing print on demand, so we can sell the designs. So that's something else that you can do entirely. So that's Canva, all in a nutshell. And of course, I've got an affiliate link down in the description below. So if you click on that, I'll get a little kickback if you decide to go for the pro account, which I thank you for in advance. But you don't have to do that, like I said. So I'm going to leave that where it is and bid you a good day, and I'll see you soon, okay?